staring at the phone, and don't talk to his wife. I'm done with this.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello guys, good morning. Maayong aga sa lahat. Oh my god. Ay, galing ako sa labas. Kagigising ko lang, and then ang ginawa ko is lumabas. Anyway, good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Somebody's jealous. Where are you? Somebody's jealous. Kasi mga siloso man ito mga anak ko. Mga siloso guys. Anyway, mag-breakfast lang tayo guys. Yung aso hindi pa pala pinakain ni Tami. Ang pinakain niya is yung pusa. Pusa yung pinakain niya. Tignan ko kung ano yung kainin ko. So yun na lang guys. Bread na lang tayo ng bread. Walang mangyayari sa mundo. Sabi ko kay Tami, ito na yung pinakalas na bread. Hopefully guys ha. Ito na yung pinakalas na Hawaiian ko. Kasi ayaw ko nang mag-bread. Sabi ko sa kanya, last na ito ha. Kasi ayaw ko na talagang mag-bread. Kasi hindi ako papayat kapag bread ako ng bread. Sabi pa niya, bibili tayo para sa kanya, look. Para daw sa kanya, look. Gustong gusto niya yan. Pero sabi ko, kapag meron tayong ganyan para sa kanya, alam no naman ako, kakain din ako. So, ganyan sabi ko. So, every time na magpunta kaming Costco, kasi ang mura doon, guys. Ang mura talaga, guys. Andit ang dami. So, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na tayo, kukuha. Hi, guys. Galing kami sa labas, and then, nag-hangout lang kami na mister, nag-usap-usap, nag-inusapay. Nag-inusapay kami sa labas, pero ngayon maligo na daw siya. Ako naman, gusto ko nang pumasok sa loob kasi sobrang init na doon. Gusto ko nang pumasok dito para mag-ihi. Inano ko yung pantog ko, buboto na ito. Hi, guys! Nakadress yung lola ninyo. At saka yung mister ko doon, hi mister. Wala kaming lakad guys, pero nag-ayos kami, diba? Sabi pa sa sarili namin, mag-ayos tayo han para para maging okay yung araw natin. Nag-ayos, nag-dress ako, nag-ayos siya, naligo kami ng maaga, diba? Parang may date, pero wala naman kaming date, dito lang sa bahay. So, yan. Who wants to go out? Who wants to go out? Tignan nyo to. Do you wanna go out? Huh? Where's your rocks? Do you wanna go out? Oh my goodness. Ay, so clingy man ay. So clingy. Ay. Hello guys. Sobrang si Misty ba? Sobrang clingy talaga niya guys. Grabe. Sakit ng ulo ko. Hold on, mama. I'm doing something here guys. And then tignan nyo tong dalawa. Ay. Mama's gonna go out over there. Do you want? Kailangan kong may gawin muna dito. And then itong dalawa nakakaloka. Tika muna. Hold on. Hold on. Mama's gonna do something first. Okay? Yun lang yung ganap guys. And then naghihintay lang kami ng ni mister. Yung brother-in-law niya kasi pupunta daw yun dito eh. Kailangan daw mag-borrow daw sila ng cooler. Guys, this is my life. Look at my partner. And look at his daughter. Look at his daughter. And look at the father. Look at them. Look at the two of them.
Your mother's talking about you again.
This is it. Look at him. Staring at the phone.
Your mother's talking about you again.
Staring at the phone. And don't talk to his wife. I'm done with this. I need time with you.
I'm here.
No, you're not.
I'm always here.
No, you're not.
You say that for 3 minutes you put your phone down, you say, oh yeah, you never talk to me on your phone. And then you're like,
You're not.
before I could even lift my eyes and respond to it.
Look at that. He's always like that, huh? That's... He doesn't love me anymore. He doesn't care. You're not bored?
I am always bored.
Didn't do something to me.
What am I doing to you?
Like you don't know what to do? You don't know what to do? You don't know what to do?
What?
You love me?
I love you. You're a scotch.
I love you.
You're such a scotch. Roxy has to move across the room. Poor Roxy.
Poor baby.
My poor big girl.
Poor baby.
That's my big girl.
Poor.
Chase you across the room.
Poor.
Come on, you want to go out? Let's go out.
Okay, let's go Otis. Come on na, come on. Ang init sa labas, grabe guys. Yung ulo, mabiak yung ulo mo dahil sa sobrang init. Grabe yung humidity at saka yung, ay nako. Magtubig tayo guys. Tubig tayo dito kasi wala na itong mga tubig. Ilang linggo na. Prioritize ko yung dehydrangea ko. Yung ano ko doon, yung malaking kapuno dyan, yung maganda. Okay. Ilagay natin ito, yellow, para i-connect ko na lang itong expandable na ano natin, expandable. Bibigyan ko. Itong kahoy na to, ang laki. Tubigyan ko din yung dyan para masaya din sila. You know. Hindi ko inaraw-araw po itong pagdidilig dito sa front garden yard, mga babulaklak ko kasi po okay naman sila kapag hindi araw-arawin. Sa sobrang init kasi kailangan silang tubigin guys kasi mamamatay. Lalo na yung Japanese maple ko dyan kawawa. So kailangan ko talaga siyang anuhan ng tubig ng sobrang dami. Yun. Sa labas, it looks like it's going to rain. Is it going to rain?
I don't know.
So guys, dito siya. Nagngangalang ako dito. May nakalimutan ako. So yun, delikado na naman to. Hala, I forgot that I'm cooking rice. This is a bad thing. A horror story. Han! Don't be... You know what I'm talking about. You're just being a horror.
You said you had a lot of horror stories about
Hello,
this.
kina. Piso good. It's itlog, day. Lami, kaya nagunitan. Babula-bula ako. Pasa. I love you. Why he doesn't stay for dinner, huh? Look at Dada. Said like, I'm cooking steak here for me, but he said this is for Roxy, really. Robak. So itong iluto ko daw kay Roxy daw ito. Kaloka naman. Tami made the salad, guys. Look. And this is the steak. And he's cutting, I don't know for who.
Dogs.
For the dogs. Guys, nagbagyo na sa labas, guys. And yung ano namin, nagtubig-tubig pa taraw ako. So, sa bagyo na pala. Hala, it's open! Nako talaga itong asawa ko talaga. Nako. Open! Open yung window dito sa bathroom. Let's see, labas tayo kasi lakas ng ulan. Basa-basa. Move this a little bit. Move this a little bit. Yan. Ay, grabe yung ka-brown talaga yung mga ano namin, no? Pati sa kapitbahay.
looking for one of those.
Yeah, I'm filming them. You're crazy.
They tell all their friends.
Okay guys, Tom is talking to the hummingbird.
We just tell them to share. We'll bring them more food if they finish it all.
And there's a lot of hummingbird, guys. Like, it's crazy. We have a hummingbird show right now. Is that what happened, right?
That's why they use up a ton of energy to do that. For their wings to go that fast,
Yeah.
and they're so little. So that's why that's 25% of that water is sugar.
Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Kasi po, masakit din yung ulo ko. Kanina pa itong umaga. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Say bye-bye, love.
Night guys, or good morning to you guys.
Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.
I want to see the video from the birds that you got.